Hi guys, welcome back to another quick and a short video. In today's video, I'm just going to show you another amazing indicator on TradingView that you can actually use to make money, hopefully. And this indicator is good for scalpers, people who are going to be holding trades for the short term. It's not ideal for anybody who is looking to hold their trades for a very long time. So if you're a scalper, you'll have to trade the 15-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, and the 1 minute. And especially if you are a breakout trader, this is actually an indicator for you. I'm not saying that you are going to make millions with this indicator. Let's face it, they are indicators, so we need to use them with caution, because indicators, from the onset, we understand that indicators do lag. So you need to apply your risk to your risk management and make sure that you have a good enough risk to reward ratio in order to make money with this. I've talked a lot, so let me show you the indicator. So the indicator that we are going to use today is, if we go to indicators, we are going to search for market. Sorry, my spelling there. It's actually here because I previously used it. So it's going to be market structure break and order block by Emery KB. So you see, at the time of making this video, it has got about nearly 7,000 installs. So some people are testing it out there, and maybe some people are making money with it, and they are not telling you these things. So anyway, that's why I'm here. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and so that you don't miss videos like this. For everything else, see the links in the description box below if you want to download other forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that. Okay, so we are just going to add it onto our chart like that, and we are going to just close that thing like that. Now what we're going to do is we are actually going to go, let's see if we go to the 5-minute. So this is what I'm actually looking for, because this is how the indicator basically looks like. This is how the indicator basically looks like. So it plots these zones. That's what it's going to do. It's going to be plotting these zones, and you are going to watch out for those zones, as well as the zigzags, So one other thing that I like to do, you already know, I'm a big fan of Heiken Ashi. I think it's a good way to capture reversals without putting too much effort on yourself. So that's why I'm a big fan of Heiken Ashi. So now that we've applied our Heiken Ashi, you can see now what's the basic rule with the market structure break or order block. Basically, we are looking at these order blocks that are being plotted here. The moment we have price breaking out of an order block like this, is definitely time to buy. And certainly when also the Heiken Ashi is actually a green column. I've got green for my buys there, and I've got red for my sells there, and it's like that. It's a definite buy. And what you can simply do is try to make sure that it's perhaps 1:2 or 1:3 trade. So we'll put our stop loss just behind the order block that was created there. Then you can easily catch a 1:2, 1:3 here. We actually have 1:4. Let's just do a 1:3. There will be your 1:3. You would have banked that trade, and this is on the 5-minute time frame. Here we actually also have an order block breakout, and if that was a sell, if that was a short position, we would have taken the sell there and definitely placed our stop loss just behind the order block there, and aiming for 1:3, 1:2 would have banked that trade as well. And there were many trades here as well that you could have taken. So this is for people who love to scalp the markets, who don't want to be in the markets for a very long time. You can see I'm using the default settings. I'm simply using the default settings here. Experiment with these things, guys. Experiment with these things. I'm not going to test out every pair, every scenario, everything for you. So I'm just giving you hints of what's out there, and it's also up to you to go out there and test these things and see if it works for you, what time frame works for you, what pair works best for you with this strategy, how you can make money with these things. So in this scenario, again, we'll be waiting for our Heikin Ashi to turn red, and it needs to be turning red out of this order block box here, or this one. Otherwise, for now, you are not just going to go blindly and start selling here. You need those conditions. Maybe you want to trade the 1 minute. Let's see what we can find on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, there would have been a trade already. So if we're going to take a sell here, if we're going to take a sell there, and our stop loss would have been somewhere there, TP would have been hit already because we have already reached our 1:3 there. You can see a quick trade there, in and out. But now if you're going to be trading the 1 minute, it's going to depend on the particular pair that you're going to be trading, because now you actually need a pair that has got very low spread. Otherwise, it's not going to make sense to want to trade tight positions on the 1 minute time frame when the pair that you're going to be trading has got, let's say, a 5 pips spread, or a 10 pip spread, or a 3 pip spread, something like that. What you want to do is at least a 1 pip spread or less than that, if you can find a broker like that. So that's for people who want to trade less than the 1 minute time frame. So I showed you the 1 minute, the 5 minute. Let's see if we're going to go to the 15 minute. Let's just remove those drawings. Remove drawings. So you can see here a good order block that formed on the 15-minute time frame. Again, same scenario. We were going to basically sell. We're going to sell short position. The moment price broke out of the order block, we were going to sell, and we're going to place our stop loss just behind the block. And then again we are looking for our 1:2, 1:3. So in this scenario, if we're going to aim for 1:3, it was hit again. Definitely it was hit by that week. But 1:2 is so what you want to do is we go up the higher time frames, because we are scalping. You probably want to just aim for 1:2, which is around here. That's around there. You would have hit that easily. Just one indicator, guys, and just changing your candles to Heiken Ashi. And also 1:3 could have collected here. Let's make it precise. 1:3 there. You could have collected definitely on that. So test this thing out and see if it's going to make some money for you. I would be happy to hear your feedback as well. Find pairs with low spread if you're going to be trading the lower time frames, because you don't want to pay much on a spread. And then definitely test this thing out and see if it is also make you some money. Otherwise, guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.